Let's see how to enable tips on your Shopify store. So this is very easy and helpful if your customers want to support you, and it will only take a few seconds. But before starting, I want to tell you that if you want to try Shopify, if you want to open your new online store, I'm gonna leave you a link in the description below with a special offer that will get you 3 days for free, and after that, a month of any paid subscription just for $1. So now let's begin with the tutorial. To enable tips, you need to go to your settings right here at the bottom left and then go to checkout. Once you are here, you need to scroll down until you see tipping. As you can see, you just need to mark this checkbox and now it will show tipping options at checkout. So customers can choose between three presets or enter a custom amount. You can set any percentage you want. For example, the preset one will be 10, 15, and 20%. I'm gonna leave it like this. And then you can choose to hide the tipping options until the customers chooses to add a tip. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. And now I'm gonna preview my checkout right here. This is my checkout page, it's the default page. And as you can see, if I scroll down to the bottom, you will see the presets, the different presets. In my case, I have a product worth 15 euros right now in the cart. So those are the different presets, or you can choose a custom tip or to not leave a tip. Alright, this is the default tipping preset, but you can edit it by clicking right here on Edit Checkout. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.